Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? First, let me introduce myself. My name is Norma Yolanda, and today we will learn about comparative and superlative. First, I will explain about what is comparative and superlative degree. First is comparative. Comparative adjectives are used to compare difference between the two objects they modify. They are used in sentences where two nouns are compared. And second is superlative adjective. Superlative adjectives are used to describe an object which is at the upper or lower limit of a quality. They are used in sentences where a subject is compared to a group of objects. Nah, we use comparative and superlative to say how people or thing are different. We use a comparative adjective to express how two people or thing are different, and we use a superlative adjective to show how one person or thing is different to all the other of its kind. Next, comparative is used when two things are being compared. The comparative adjective is following er and more. Next, for superlative, superlative is used when three or more things are being compared. Superlative adjective is following est and most. Next is how to use comparative and superlative. For the formula of comparative and superlative, first is for comparative. Subject 1, to be, adjective, plus er plus then plus subject 2. For second formula is subject, to be, more adjective, then and subject 2. Next, for superlative, subject, to be, plus the adjective plus est. And for second formula for superlative is subject, to be, plus most adjective. For the example of comparative, first example is Yola is taller than Mela. This is use adjective plus er because this is two are being compared. Yola and Mela. Yola is taller than Mela. For second example is the train is faster than car. This is also two things being compared. The train is faster than car. More example for comparative degree. Alia is more diligent than Susi. This is we use formula subject to be plus more adjective then subject 2. There is a two person to compare. Alia is more diligent than Susi. For next is Raihan is more handsome than Randy. There's also two person being compared. Next is for example for superlative. First example is Sinta is the smartest student in the school. Sinta is the smartest student in the school. We use superlative because the superlative adjective to show one person or thing is different to all the other of its kind. And this is the example is Sinta is being compared with one student in the school. Next example is Nisa is the shortest student in the school. This also use superlative because Nisa is being compared with all of a student in the school. So because the person or thing is being compared with different to all the other person. So next example is Miss Yola is most beautiful teacher in my school. This also superlative because Miss Yola is being compared with all of the teacher in my school. Last example is Daniel is most handsome in my class. We use superlative because Daniel is being compared with all of the student in my class. So that's enough from me. Okay, that's enough from the material. Thank you so much for attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.